Hi, this is Video Portrait channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit contact on MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Your Mac inbuilt contact app is a powerful tool for organizing and managing your personal and professional connections. It goes beyond just storing names and phone numbers, offering features to streamline communication and keep your network steady. In this video, I will show you how to edit contacts on your MacBook. It's so simple. So you can open your contact on your MacBook and you can choose on the contact that you want to edit. For example, we'll choose this one. Now you can see there is an option edit on the contact. Here you can just click on that. So in here you can start to edit this contact. Maybe you want to change the phone number, or maybe you want to edit the email, the ringtones, the text tone, or you want to add another information for this contact. After you finish, you can just click on done. You can click on done. So you have edit your contact on MacBook. So simple, right? So that is how to edit contact on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.